So belly breathing. If you're comfortable to, place your hands on your belly. Otherwise, just place your hands on your lap, finding yourself a comfortable seated or lying position. And just taking a moment to be aware of the inhale and aware of the exhale. Notice when you breathe in what happens to the belly. And when you breathe out, what happens. So if you don't notice anything, it might be that you're breathing more into your chest or more into the ribs. So we're going to try to breathe deeply in through our nose and out through the nose, breathing deeply into the belly area. And we'll begin the practice by breathing out. So exhale through your nose, drawing navel in toward the spine. And then as you inhale, allow the belly to expand wide like a big balloon. Exhaling through the nose, drawing navel in toward the spine. And then inhaling, allowing the belly to expand wide like a big balloon. Exhaling as the navel draws in toward the spine. And inhaling as the belly expands wide like a big balloon. Focusing on the exhale and focusing on the inhale. Each time you exhale, the navel draws in toward the spine. And each time you inhale, the belly expands wide. Exhaling and inhaling. Just see if you can allow the exhale to be slightly longer than the inhale. Awareness to the exhale and awareness to the inhale. And on the next exhale, allow the breath to return back to its usual pace. And taking a moment to observe any changes. Just observe any non-changes. Noticing if you feel a little more relaxed. Then if you have the eyes closed, gently opening the eyes. And maybe give a little gentle stretch to the body.